Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create talking AI avatars step by step. Let's get started. First, open the link in the description. Once it loads, go ahead and log in. After you reach the homepage, click on Avatars and Voices. Now, you'll see an option called Photo to Avatar. Now click on Create New. Next, upload your influencer's image. The website will process the image. Once it's done, click Next, and then Next again. Now, give your avatar a name and select a voice for it. Now click Submit. Your avatar will now start generating. And there you go! Your avatar is ready. To create a video, click on Apply.
Hello,
You'll notice that the avatar is already speaking a sample script.
Click on the script in the video to edit it.
You can see accurate lip sync will be available after export. Now, if you want to use your own script, simply type your text here. You can also choose a caption style. To turn captions off completely, click here. Once you're done, click on Export Video. Adjust your export settings, then click Download. And that's it! Your final video is ready.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it.
As you can see and hear, the lip sync is smooth and accurate. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.